Hey guys, PepperAmmy here. This week we are making marmalade. Now there are some learning points in this video, including a fail with a tip on how to resolve it. Now to start, you will of course need some oranges, preferably servo oranges, but any will do, along with a lemon or two, as this counteracts the sweetness if you are using sweet oranges. Then you want to start by halving and juicing your oranges and of course lemons if you are using your lemons. Then once you've got the juice, you want to place it in the fridge. Do not drink it like I very almost did. And I also forgot there was 2 lemons worth of juice in there as well, but I got quickly reminded after my taste test.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Yeah, forgot there was lemon in there.
Then you want to add the orange and lemon halves to a pan with 1.2 litres of water, and then bring to a boil, and then let simmer for around an hour until the skins have softened. Now I did also add the seeds and the pulp, and the seeds and the pulp of the oranges and the lemons is apparently where a lot of the pectin is. Now this is a common myth and it doesn't actually really do anything, but I thought it would just infuse more of the fruity flavour. And I also added a couple of seeds from some cardamom pods as well, just to give it a little bit of a spicy kick. Now I added all of that in muslin bags to keep it all separated so I didn't have to sift it out later on. Once softened, drain the skins from the liquid, making sure to catch the liquid in the bowl. Now I'm pouring mine through a cheesecloth to remove any extra pulpy bits that may have slipped through as well. And then you want to let cool slightly and scoop out what remains of the pulp inside the skins with a spoon. Now if it's nice and soft, this should be a nice easy task to do. Then using a sharp knife, half the skins and slice into strips of a thickness and length that is completely up to you. Now I like mine on a little bit of the longer, chunkier side. And it is completely up to you how much lemon peel you add in as well. Then you want to add your sliced peels to a kilogram of granulated sugar, along with the strained juices from earlier and the juice we squeezed out of the lemons and oranges. Then you want to bring this to a boil and reduce the contents in the pan by about 1/3. Now you can do this by eye and cool it when it gets thick, but I did this for round 1 and then placed my marmalade in jars, and yeah, it didn't set after 24 hours. So if yours doesn't actually set, you want to pour all of the marmalade back into the pan again, maybe with a candy thermometer this time, and bring to 105 degrees Celsius or 220 Fahrenheit. This is the jam setting temperature, and because it is above 100 degrees Celsius, pretty much all of the water has evaporated, so you're just left with a sugary syrup. Then you want to pour that back into your cleaned jars. Now this time around you can see how much it is reduced by reboiling, as I didn't have a overflow tub, and I only just managed to fill my last jar. Now of course you can optionally strain out the peels if you want just a completely smooth jam-like marmalade. Then you want to store it in a cool dark place or devour immediately. And there you have it, fresh marmalade. Now that wraps up this week's video. If you like what you saw, let me know down below with a like and a comment. If you're indeed new here, feel free to subscribe for free weekly cooking content, and I will see you all again next week. Thanks for watching.